Yo, this your boy Steve. Welcome back to the channel, man. Today's video we're gonna be reacting to "Damn Nature, You Scary." I'm not even gonna lie. A lot of these animals, when you get in their territory, they're gonna make you shake. They're gonna make you They're gonna make you scared. Like, I'm afraid of snakes. If I see a snake, right, I'm finna go around it. But if you trap and feel like you have nowhere to go, like some Anaconda, the movie, you finna be shitting bricks. But yeah, even with a rhinoceros, even with a giraffe, elephant, even a deer, a buck, a moose, any of these animals, I feel like they just dangerous, fam. So yeah, we finna be reacting to these videos. Let's get tuned in. I don't want to talk too much. Let's get it. Boy, I put that in gear. Ooh. What is that? Eels?
Eels. Ah! Did the duck got that?
Ooh. I don't play with that. Oh. Elephant went like this.
Oh, no. Oh, my gosh.
For real.
Get out! He sees it. Look at him. Oh, my God.
Oh my God, did you get that on video?
Yeah.
Ooh. Real funny story right quick. I got sent, I ain't gonna say I got sent. I went back to Haiti, right? I'm a Haitian, sac passe, not boule. Hey, yeah, I had went to Haiti. My grandpa, he got a farm, garden, whatever. He got horses, cow, goats. We don't own pigs. So yeah, when I went down there, I'm learning new stuff, like what they eat, taking the horse to go get some water and food and stuff like that, placing the cows different areas so it can feed on grass and whatnot. Let's get to the point though. When I used to hop on the horse, like a normal human being, you get on there like, from the side or whatever where it can see you. I felt like I was too young because the way I came in, it's like I smacked the horse's ass and leaped over, like, bruh, the most dangerous way. I'm surprised I got all my teeth right now. But I'm not gonna lie, he's not my little cousin, my cousin. He wanted to test the speed of the horse, so he went fast. He's going fast. And now I'm hopping. We don't have no support or any seating thing on the horse. It's just roll. We tied it around his mouth so we can steer it and whatever. Bruh, the dude was going like 60, 70 miles per hour, I would say, realistically. I wouldn't say 100. He going so fast, I'm bouncing. Like, the bone of the horse is hurting my ass, mind you. He going stupid. All I know is my butt cheek did not drop in the center of the bone of the horse. My right cheek, this is the bone, right? My right cheek went right here. Boy, I slipped. I slipped so bad, I don't even know how I slipped. I saw I was falling. I reached out for his hand. It was crazy. I reached out for his hand. I had stole my auntie's Christmas hat. Luckily, thank God, it had the little ball in the back. But yeah, I reached out for his hands. He tried to get me, but he thought smart by steering the horse away from me so I don't get, stomped on. Man, let me tell you, boy, if it wasn't for that hat, I would have had a crazy knot, a crazy scar, some type of thing on the back of my neck, or not my neck, but my head or something. Cause I felt like I hit a rock or the ball on the back of, I'm gonna show y'all right now. Hold on. It's like, thank God I had the example. So, this is what I was wearing. This is what, like, bruh, this is what, man, this is what saved my life. But like, let's get right back to the video because my phone about to die. And my laptop too, your mat will, yeah, my laptop about to fall asleep too. But yeah, let's get back to the video, man.
Hey!
That boy is gonna be traumatized for the rest of his life.
Oh, yeah, here we go. 1, and 2, 3. Jesus Christ Almighty!
It was crazy. You heard? That is the wildest thing I ever seen.
Like Jesus Christ! I think we got a garfish, dude.
I think you got a gator.
Be careful, Evan.
It's like what? It's like you knew.
Oh my God! That's a big gator, buddy. That is a big gator.
I could see the. Yo, I'm not. Ooh. Ooh. You don't play with them boys like that. You don't play with them boys like that. I would not be touching a random monkey. Whatever he is. He wasn't even worried about the kid. Oh, snap. Why he came in charged up like that? Whoa. What? Yo, the snake too quick for me, bro. What?
Oh.
I was just talking about I don't fuck with him.
Oh, Jesus Christ. You gotta be careful here.
Do you? Do you? What? I remember seeing this video though. I need you to see my eye. You slip? You fell? Fam, you tripping. First of all, my balance will be on 10 right now. There's no way. Might as well, all right.
Well, that puts an end to my tarpon fishing. Get back.
Get back. He showed you. Is that an elephant? Ooh, that boy said, I don't care what y'all doing, but I need this. I need this. And elephants don't really like to cross the thing because they traumatized. I seen this one too. Oh man, boy, I'll take the thing and whack that damn gator. See, I can't swim. That man would have had an advantage over me. Oh man, see? I don't know if I would have did the same, but he knew what to do.
Come on, keep kicking him. Oh!
Yeah.
I'm so glad I was recording that!
That's motivation. Go hit that gym.
Like a big stick or something. Big stick.
You sure?
It's heavy, whatever it is.
He coming to get you.
That is not a stick. Oh My God, that's not a stick at all. Holy sh! Holy sh! Oh my Lord, holy
At that point,
moly.
just cut the line, buddy. Cut the line.
Wow, that changes things.
What you gonna do? It's not like you stuck in a tree. You gonna...
Hey. 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 Hey.
All right, now.
Hey.
Was that his phone recording?
Shuddy! There's an octopus eating a crab!
She seems so fascinated.
Holy
I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away. I promise I'm
It's
not gonna
these
bug you.
nature walks for me.
I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away. I'm going
You
away.
gotta have these
I'm
people
going away.
ready and prepared.
I'm going away.
Like the bear,
I'm not gonna.
you could have had a big bear spray. This dude, man, by any means necessary, they gonna have to start carrying. It ain't hunting season, but if they hunting you, you gotta hunt them. I'm just saying now, it's you or them. I would prefer it's you not to be eaten.
I'm gonna bug you. I promise. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm going away.
The
I'm
thing
not
about
gonna
it
bug you.
is, when people talk to animals, it don't make no sense. They don't understand you. I feel like they can read your body language in a way. I'm like animals, like dogs and cats, but they can't understand you. For the fact that they speaking English towards the animals is funny to me.
I'm going away.
He tried to hurt you.
You could break right through that glass. Leave it alone.
I have a gun.
Okay. She got that thing.
I'm walking backwards on the trail back to the camp. I'm walking down the trail, and Mom and two cubs. So I am continually to walk backwards.
Man,
The Mom and the cubs keep following me
they
And
see
I'm
a big
walking at
ass
least
meal. Come on,
as
baby.
fast as I am.
Let's get dinner. Ooh, what the hell? That shark got a crazy guy. Oh,
Nó còn bám miệng rồi đấy nhá. Ôi!
oh my God. What is that, a leech? What is that?
You. Oh.
Bro, buddy came out of nowhere, bro.
No! Get the away! Go
I
away!
think I seen this video. He tried to bust
Go away.
buddy, and he missed.
No!
What?
No!
Crazy.
You, dude! Holy. Yeah, get the away from me. Face.
Man, if you guys enjoyed any of these videos, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. We're a growing channel, man. That was crazy. Tell me what you would have did if you encountered any of these animals. I believe one thing and one thing only. You have to have that tool. That's just, it seems right. What you gonna use? A knife? You gotta protect yourself out there. But yeah, let me know down below. Comment if any of the videos were crazy enough to you or whatever. But just let me know down below, man. Subscribe.